Windows 10 is the latest operating system from Microsoft. While lots of people know it, there are also people who don't know how to use it. In this video, I'll show you how to get around the OS, as well as show you the basic things you can do. My internet name is Fallen Element, and this is Get to Know Windows 10. Welcome to Windows 10. When you boot up your computer, you see this screen. This is called the desktop. Let's get to know it. The desktop is where you can see and open files, folders, shortcuts and more. There is also a recycle bin where all deleted items go to. If you right click on the desktop, you will get a list of options. You can change the size and arrangements of your icons, sort the icons, which rearranges them, refresh the desktop, paste a file, folder or shortcut, add something to the desktop, go to display settings and go to personalization settings. This at the bottom of the screen is called the taskbar. Let's look at the contents of it. This is the Start button. When clicked, it opens a menu where there is a list of apps and programs you can open, as well as live tiles with information you can briefly look at before you open the app. On the left hand side of the Start menu, there is a power button with options to power off, restart your machine or put your computer to sleep. A settings button where you can change the configuration of your computer, and a user button where you can go to account settings, lock your computer or sign out. Next, there is the search bar where you can find documents, search for apps and search the internet. Then there is the task view where you can see all open apps and programs. After that, there is space where apps are for when they are opened or pinned. This app here is called Microsoft Edge, which is an internet browser. Then we have File Explorer, which allows you to go through files and folders, images and more. After that, we have the Windows Store, where you can download apps from. Finally, the Mail app allows you to read and send emails. We then get to the other side of the taskbar. The first one is called Peek, where you can minimize everything on the screen to view the desktop. It is at the very right of the taskbar. Click it to minimize everything, and then click it again to get the apps back. Then there is the Action Center, where you can view past notifications and make quick changes to the settings, like enable night light. After that, there is a time and date, where you can view the current time and date. You can also look at a calendar for the past, current and future months. Next is Sound Management, where you can change the volume of a playback device. This depends on if you have speakers or headphones. Use the slider to change the volume. Then we have the internet connection icon, where you can view your connection strength and see other connections available. My device has wireless capabilities to connect. Another way is a wired connection. If you're using a wired connection, you will see a different icon than you will see here. There is also buttons for enabling or disabling Wi-Fi, airplane mode or a mobile hotspot. Finally, if you have a laptop, you will have a battery percentage to show how much power your laptop's battery has left. You will also have the ability to turn on Power Saver and change the brightness of the screen. There are other icons that are hidden. If you want to see them, click on the up arrow. To add a shortcut to the desktop from the Start menu, click the Windows button at the bottom left, find the app you want, and then hold left click on the app, and then drag it to the desktop. When you double click it, you are able to open the app from there. To add a new file or folder, right click on the desktop, go to New, and then choose what you want to create. Don't forget to name it. Next, we will look at File Explorer. Open it by left clicking on the icon. Here, you can browse for files and folders. On the left hand side of the window are different folder destinations. Click on one to open it. You can look through files and folders on the PC, on the cloud, and at network folders. To use cloud storage on Windows, you will need a Microsoft account. The last thing we will look at is the Windows Store. This is where you can buy and download apps, games, music, TV and films. Click on an app to view its details. You will get to see a description of the app, screenshots for it, and reviews from other people. Thank you for watching this video. There is more information about computers on my website. Links will be in the description box below. This has been Getting to Know Windows 10. I'll see you in the next video.